Imagine a snake so massive it could swallow a deer whole, so long it could stretch across two parked cars, and so heavy it rivals the weight of a full-grown bear. Sounds like a sci-fi horror creature, right? But these snakes are very real, and they've lived on the same planet as us. For millions of years, snakes have evolved into some of the most efficient predators on Earth. But out of the hundreds of species slithering across continents, only a few have truly shocked scientists and the public with their outrageous size. Today, we'll dive into the story of three of the largest snakes in history, from swamp giants still alive today to prehistoric monsters that once ruled ancient jungles. Let's start with the mighty green anaconda, Eunyctus marinus. This snake isn't just big, it's powerful. While the average adult measures about 16 feet long, some have been found at nearly 30 feet, and in terms of weight, up to 550 pounds. Its thickest part can be as wide as a truck tire. Anacondas don't kill with venom or bite. They constrict, suffocate, or drown their prey with terrifying force. But the anaconda has competition. Meet the reticulated python, Python reticulatus, of Southeast Asia, the longest snake in the world. It can grow over 30 feet long, and while the average weight is about 250 pounds, one individual was recorded at nearly 350 pounds. Reticulated pythons use their jaws to grab and their bodies to crush before swallowing their prey whole. One famous python, named Medusa, lives in Missouri and is a feature attraction at a haunted house. Still, both these giants pale in comparison to a prehistoric snake called Titanoboa cerrigonensis. Discovered in Colombia in 2009, this snake lived around 60 million years ago. And its size? Absolutely mind-blowing, nearly 42 feet long and weighing over a ton. Titanoboa roamed the ancient tropical rainforests like a living freight train, dominating the food chain in its era. These snakes, anaconda, python, and Titanoboa, aren't just terrifying. They're living proof of nature's incredible ability to evolve and adapt. Their sheer size speaks volumes about the world they lived in and the roles they played in their ecosystems. From South American swamps to fossil beds in Colombia, these reptilian giants remind us that nature's real monsters are far more fascinating than anything our imagination can dream up. And who knows, somewhere out there, hidden in the jungle or beneath the waters, a new serpent giant might still be waiting to be discovered.